My name is Emily and I work in Sports, Leisure and Facilities branch at Logan City Council. I've been involved in sport most of my life, Saturday mornings, netball, athletics, soccer, and now working in the industry and have been for almost 20 years. My present role in sport and recreation planning as a project officer has allowed me to work on the amazing program Game On for Women. I have been responsible for delivering and coordinating some of the projects which I am going to tell you a little bit about in this lightning talk. This presentation will show you a unique framework for using sport on and off the field as a vehicle for positive social change. The framework represents a roadmap that allows adaptations in systems and resource allocations to continually optimize social change and augment these impacts long term. First, let me tell you a little bit about Logan. We are in southeast Queensland, located between Brisbane and Gold Coast. Logan is one of the largest and fastest growing cities in Australia. We have over 200 sport and recreation and community facilities leased and used by non-for-profit sport, recreation and community orgs. The City of Logan's population is over 330,000 and is projected to grow to more than 500,000 by 2036. This is home to 217 different cultural backgrounds who speak more than 50 languages. We know that women face barriers to engage and maintain involvement in sport on and off the field. This is demonstrated at a national level in the current literature, and at a local level we have the findings from our Active Logan participation study. So the problems and opportunities listed below. We know that women are less involved in organised club sports. However, Game On for Women really looked at to providing facilities that were suitable and safe for women to engage in sport, empower clubs to support women in sport, and also support women to be engaged in sport and to be celebrated. In 2019, Logan City Council started the Game On for Women initiative to support women to participate in sport on and off the field. This included delivering opportunities in leadership and sporting skills at all capabilities with a focus on 3 areas. Active spaces, about facilities being female friendly and applying universal design. Active people, which included celebrating women in sport, providing learning opportunities and support towards their health and fitness goals, and active organisations, which was the bursaries program, and this would support a mentoring role within that club, creating additional skills for that club. So a pilot program was created to deliver on the focus areas that consisted of 4 main programs, which were rolled out over a 12-month period. We had the bursary, which was a $5,000 funding provided towards a graduate degree intending to study on a sport-related university course commencing in 2020. Gym and swim 12-month membership, which was a subsidised membership. We were able to run 2 rounds of this. This provided opportunity for women to improve their fitness and strength in their chosen sporting pathway at the council's gym and aquatic centres. We had the coaches and officials training grant, which provided an opportunity for Logan sporting clubs to increase their number of women in leadership roles and positions, such as governance, coaching and officiating. And we also had the Leadership Masterclass, which was a 1-day workshop for women to develop effective leadership and confident communication skills. This was facilitated by an external consultant, Carol Fox. All of these had very simple online application processes where they had to meet eligibility criteria. For example, they had to be female, clubs must be in Logan, individuals must be a resident of Logan. However, applications from non-Logan residents who contributed to Logan clubs were considered. So what we achieved, you can see in the dot points below on those key focus areas. Clubs completed and implemented female-friendly club designs, provided opportunities to showcase women, and provided learning opportunities for both individuals and organisations. So we received some great feedback from participants as part of the external evaluation that was conducted with Griffith University to assess the social change resulting from the implementation of the Game On for Women initiative. This evaluation included a review of documents and some semi-structured interviews with the internal and external stakeholders. This image shows cross-fertilisation between the 3 focus areas, with active organisations playing a mediating role on women's sport development. It is the driver of the outcomes in the other 2 focus areas, active spaces and active people. To capitalise on this cross-fertilisation of the 3 priority areas, Griffith University recommended that Logan should form and manage a strong network of active inter-organisational relations, so the IORs, with the clubs at the heart of everyone's interest as the primary providers of opportunities for sport participation, engagement and retention through their relationships. So the evaluation noted that future implementation would require shaping and managing stronger inter and intra-organisational relationships with clubs, state sporting orgs, councils and non-council facility providers and other stakeholders, and changing the focus from 3 focus areas, active spaces, people and organisations, to capture synergies between those 3 focus areas, with active organisations being the driver to harness the benefits of the connections between the cross-fertilisation of those focus areas. The report recommended the use of the attraction, retention, transition and nurturing, so sports development framework, and apply it to future implementations of the Game On for Women. Where are we now? Just about wrapping up Game On for Women 2.0. This has been guided by the framework, which has provided a vehicle for positive social change. The focus has been on organisations, and we have delivered 3 distinct programs which deliver 2 key objectives, which was supporting the Logan community-based sporting clubs to be inclusive of women on and off the field, and continuing to nurture women to become leaders in sport on and off the field. The Game On for Women initiative has empowered women to share their experiences, knowledge and inspire other women, which is creating a ripple effect. So that's it. Thank you for listening. Hope you found this useful, and please reach out if you have any questions.